Hi and welcome to this very special pre-launch page as we come up to the exciting launch of the Content Artemis system at 11 a.m. on the 9th of June. On this pre-launch webinar page, you have an opportunity to register, find out the sneak peek of this incredible content system that's designed to help you get more sales, more traffic, quicker and easier than you ever believed possible. Register for the webinar right now because we're going to be going through the special system of Content Artemis and making it available with a very special pricing only on this pre-launch webinar. Now, when we do launches, we know that the pricing is excellent. For that first initial period, we want to generate that excitement. That's why it's a great opportunity to get in at a launch special offer. And on this webinar, the offer is going to be even better. So if you love new technology, you love getting traffic and sales, and let's face it, who doesn't? Then register for this webinar and make sure you turn up and show up early. We've got lots of partners that are promoting the webinar and we've only got limited seats. So make sure that you're there, you're registered, you turn up. Watch out for the reminders. We're going to be sending you those 15 minutes before the event, but come on and get here with the webinar. We'll be showcasing the Content Artemis program and how you can use it to increase your traffic, to generate content for your sites and for social media in any vertical. This truly is a game-changing piece of software. We've shown it to an inner circle who absolutely loved it and have given incredible feedback already. Register for the webinar right now. We're going to be launching the Content Artemis system at 11 a.m., but at 10 a.m., the pre-launch webinar kicks off and you have the opportunity to get this whole system, get an idea of how it works and how it will help you and pick up an incredible special offer only on this webinar. No replays. It's only right here for the people that are attending live. See you on the webinar. Very exciting to have you here and look forward to welcoming you to the Content Artemis system.